can't be too careful always in taking care of our dogs. When it comes to dog food, it's really difficult to predict what is good for their health and well-being. In fact, there are so many food substances that can kill our dear pets. What is good and what is bad for our dogs? Keep watching till the end of the video. A few minutes is far better than losing our dog friends. So let's start. Usually, dog owners tend to give treats to their dogs at least twice per day. A treat can be either brought from the store or homemade. But do you think the food you feed your dog doesn't harm them? Recently, people raising so much concern about feeding xylitol-containing foods to dogs. What is xylitol? Xylitol is a natural substance that can be used as a sugar substitute. Chemically, it is a sugar alcohol and is found naturally in berries, plums, corn, oats, mushrooms, lettuce, trees, and some other fruits. Xylitol has the same sweetness as sucrose but contains only about 2/3 of the calories. This is the main relevance of using xylitol in human foods. How safe is xylitol for dogs? It's not safe at all, but xylitol is extremely dangerous for dogs. In both humans and dogs, the level of blood sugar is controlled by the release of insulin from the pancreas. Xylitol does not stimulate the release of insulin from the pancreas in humans. However, when dogs eat xylitol, the xylitol is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, resulting in a potent release of insulin from the pancreas. Now, how dogs can consume xylitol? It's basically through the human edibles. Sugarless gum may contain xylitol. Xylitol is present in many products and foods for human use, but can have devastating effects on your pet. Gum isn't the only product containing xylitol. Xylitol can be used in baked goods, such as cakes, muffins, pies, and mainly in products for people with diabetes. If you think your dog has eaten xylitol, take him to your vet or an emergency animal hospital immediately. The low blood sugar effects of xylitol can last 12 to 24 hours. Your dog's chance for a full recovery from xylitol-induced hypoglycemia is good with early and appropriate treatment. Xylitol-induced liver damage does not happen immediately. It can occur as early as 9 hours post-ingestion, but may take up to 3 days. There may be other household foods and items that you should not give your dog. These are a few examples marked as not recommended for dogs. Alcohol. Dogs' kidneys can't process alcohol effectively, which can cause them medical problems. Avocados. The pit, skin, and leaves of avocado can cause harm to your dog, which causes vomiting and diarrhea. Caffeine. If your dog consumes even a small amount of caffeine, they may become hyperactive or start to have tremors. Chocolate. It's well documented that chocolate is highly toxic to dogs. A dog might suffer from an upset stomach, heart problems, seizures, or even death. Fried and fatty foods. Regular consumption of these types of food can lead to obesity and related health problems. Garlic and onions. Whether the garlic and onions are cooked or raw, if your dog eats these, it can damage their red blood cells, which can then result in anemia. Grapes and raisins. Grapes and raisins have a dramatic effect on your dog's health and can lead to acute and sudden kidney failure. Nuts. Although they tend not to result in fatalities, they can cause your dog to suffer from an inability to walk, vomiting, lethargy, and tremors. Milk, cream, and cheese. Adult dogs may exhibit signs of lactose intolerance if they eat milk, cream, or cheese, such as vomiting, diarrhea, and an upset stomach. Owning a pet dog is a responsibility for a minimum of 10 years. A dog is not for the people who take it easy in caring for them. Also, pets are not an object to adopt for interest and abandon when the interest drops.
Ooh.